Project ANUVAAD is an open source project funded by Ekstep Foundation. ANUVAAD is a productivity tool that leverages AI and machine learning technologies to accomplish end-to-end document translation. ANUVAAD is deployed and currently present at users.anuvaad.org. Users can sign up for free and can get started with document translation. The user interface of ANUVAAD is very simple. A translator can log in into the system by providing valid username and password. Once logged in, the translator is presented with a simple dashboard or workbench. The user can see existing files, or the user can start translation for a new file. You can see various information present in the workbench. The system displays existing files, status of processing, number of sentences present in the file, number of words present in the file, total time taken by the system to finish the processing of the file. In order to start the translation, the user will press the Start Translate button. Here we can drag and drop the file, select the source language of the file, and then select any one of the listed target languages. Pressing Upload will submit the file for translation. Please note, translation is a compute-intensive operation. Depending upon the pages in the document, it will take some time to get the file translated. As you can see, the document is translated now. By selecting the second button, translator can start the translation process. The user will see the document view on the left side and the sentence view on the right side. By clicking on the arrow button, translator can start validating the translation. You can observe that each sentence is pre-translated. Most of the time, translator just have to proofread the translation of the sentence and save. As an added feature, the translator can also edit the sentences as per their preference. This way, the entire document can be translated sentence by sentence, as translation generated by the system is appropriate most of the time. We can now look at a powerful feature that we call interactive translation. In this feature, a translator can guide the translation engine by changing a few words and can generate a translation of his or her choice. The feature can also be used to correct the translation. By changing a few words, the feature radically simplifies the translation process and saves enormous amount of translation time. We will now look at subsequent examples. To demonstrate the functionality of interactive translation, I will take another document. Let me try to read the sentence. The sentence says that having considered a testimony of Jeevani, a wife of deceased Nakuda and sister-in-law of the appellant, who is an eyewitness, we have no hesitation in affirming conviction of the appellant for having caused death of Nakuda. The translation that we got, अपीलकर्ता की मृतक नकड़ा और भाभी की पत्नी जीवनी की गवाही पर. As we can see, the sentence structure is wrong. So what I'll do as a translator, I will change the sequence of the word and then I'll ask for recommendation. In this case, mritak nakada ki is my input word sequence for Hindi, and then I have asked machine to generate the translation. You can see that the new generated sentence is perfectly alright, which reads मृतक नगड़ा की पत्नी जीवनी PW1 और अपीलकर्ता की भाभी जो एक चश्मदीद गवाह है की गवाही पर विचार करने के बाद हमें नगड़ा की मौत के लिए अपीलकर्ता की सजा की पुष्टि करने में कोई संकोच नहीं है. The translator can export the translated file at any point of time. Just like a sentence can be edited many times, so the translated document can also be exported many times. In order to download the translated document, user can select the download as PDF option to download the translated document. Now we can see the final translated document is exported. The system tried to preserve the original document format and layout as close as the original document. You can observe that the translated file's format is very much comparable with the original document. The translated document is ready to be shared externally.